Good morning and welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So, I have all kinds of things today. First of all, I bought things because, I told you, I told some of you yesterday that I am going to be doing an in-home daycare, not daycare per se, but I'm keeping a little boy now, and then I'm also going to be keeping the little girl that I had all weekend starting in another couple of weeks. They had to give daycare notice. So I had to pick up things, right, for that. So I picked up this little thing right here to hold some books and stuff. And then I picked up this puzzle right here. This is actually for my grandson for his little birthday packet I'm putting together for him. And then I picked up some of these pom-poms. I have some other ones that are green and yellow and stuff like that, but I didn't have the primary colors. And these right here, for the younger one, I'm creating a little color matching game. I'm taking one of those long, big peel flip containers and putting felt on it and then having pom-pom matching. I'll show you when I get that done. And then, of course, I picked up some Ninja Turtle color forms because my grandson likes those. Now, this looks weird. I picked up baby oil because, and I picked up some flour, but I've already used some of it. We are making silky sand. Yeah, that's so much fun. And then I got some Play-Doh, just different colors of Play-Doh. And, so, I've got plenty of Play-Doh in here. So that is that little bit. And I try to put stuff in things to hold it. Alright, let's put that down. And then, I got this basket right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. We have to find a place to put it. Okay. So I had to pick up another little ducky for my granddaughter's Easter basket because I lost the one that I got her. I don't know what happened to it. I still haven't found those bags that I got when I went to my daughter's Dollar Tree up in Gastonia, and I bought those cute little napkins and stuff. I can't find them anywhere. Who knows? Anyway, of course, I picked up safety scissors. That's for my little kids here. So I got those. And then I picked up some little markers also. And I picked up, okay, y'all, I hate to admit this. I am ashamed to admit this. But I got another Lite-Brite. Got another Lite-Brite because I'm keeping mine. Then I got some Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to have to tell you, when I shop, I'm going to take y'all with me one day. When I shop, I use coupons and stuff for different things. And I had a 75-cent off coupon, and I got this for $1. Okay, so then my grandson also, his is hard because his birthday is just always around Easter. Sometimes it's on Easter. This time it's a few days after Easter. But my grandson is a science fiction geek too. So I bought him the little, the sticker book or whatever from the Justice League because he loves his characters. And then I got all the cards they had left. They didn't have many. So if you see some Justice League cards, let me know. To me, they're kind of expensive, paying $1 for a pack of these sticker cards. But, you do anything for your grandchildren. And that's for him. So, then I picked up these books here. And they're the one on the solar system. And these really are nice little books. And they're stickers. They have sticker books. You can build scenes in them. So I picked up one on the solar system. I picked up Bugs and Spiders, Dangerous Dinosaurs, Under the Sea, and Construction Site. And I just thought these were really cool. And little sticker books and stuff. And, yeah. So they teach, and you can pull the stickers off and put the answer in. And then I found these new bins. Now, the bin that they had these sitting in was bright pink. Couldn't find one of those. But these are reversible bins. And I guess they have the sequins, it's pink. And they have the sequins on the front, and that's what's reversible. But I did pick up a couple of those. Because they were just about the size that I needed. And then I got stickers. Okay, so I finally found new stickers at our store. So I picked these up. They're cute little summer stickers with a bicycle, an umbrella, little popsicles and things. Just thought that was very fun. And then the going camping. My daughter goes camping. I thought this would be a fun little, use on the little fun album to make for them for their little camping trips. And then Get Fit. I thought this is really cute. And then this is one of my favorite ones, the coffee one. Love me some coffee. And these are going to make some cute embellishments, I think. And then, how does your garden grow? Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And then they have this one that says, Our Family. And this one right here with the little bicycle on it. Angie found this up home. I finally got them down here. Yay. I just think that is so pretty. So those are the stickers that I got. New stickers. Then I found some new copper wire LED lights. These are really pretty. I got one in silver and one in copper. I'm thinking about putting them around my fairy gardens. I'm not sure though. And then these are just Easter Whack-A-Packs. I just picked those up for the Easter baskets. And then I picked up some more succulents. This is a succulent pick. And I just like these. I think they're really pretty. I've cut them apart and used them separately. Picked up a couple of more cactuses. And one of these little succulents that keeps falling out. Because you know I took it out of the carton to see how big it was. Okay. Then I bought this little easel frame thing. I don't know if you remember last year for Mother's Day, my grandson had made me this little plate with the Eiffel Tower and stuff on it. I want to use it in my craft room, but I needed something to stand it on. Then I think the rest of it's just Easter related stuff, but I'll go ahead and show it to you. Bubble sticks, little bubbles for an Easter basket. I am going to be showing this to you tomorrow. I made some Easter little crafts with these little Easter bunnies. And then, of course, I got Haribo Gold Bears, like the little gummy bears. Some cherry lemon heads, chewy lemon heads. And then just some good old-fashioned jelly beans. And then I bought the blend of jelly beans like this. And that's going to be used with this craft right here. And then I bought some Happy Hopper gummy bears. And for big mistakes, a big eraser. And that's for somebody else. And then, I don't know why this is wrong. Oh, because I found this when I was up in PA and I forgot to show it to you. Okay, this is Heidi Swap. Some little stickers like this. This is what they all look like on the back. And then I found this adorable owl washi tape. I love that black background with the blue and the pink. And then I found this set right here. It has note cards. Look how cute this is. A notepad. And the little notepad with a pen and a little magnetic clipboard. So those are the new things I found. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. Oh, except for these. Kinder Eggs. Now, I've never seen these in Dollar Tree before. And it just blew my mind. So I don't know. I really have never bought these before. But my grandson was talking about them. So I thought I'd put one in each basket. I don't really know how much these sell out in the regular store. So if somebody could let me know, I'd appreciate it. Because I don't know if it's $1 too much for them. But I picked them up. Anyway, guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm most excited about some of the stickers that I found used for embellishments. And all the goodies that I found for my grandson to put together a little thing for him. So, anyway, thanks so much for joining me today on Dollar Tree Tuesday. And I will see you all soon. If you haven't joined my channel yet, make sure you click the little icon up there to join the channel. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.